What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about the comparison between Brex and Mercury. Brex and Mercury are two leading fintech companies offering innovative banking solutions tailored to the needs of startups and small businesses. While both platforms provide accessible digital banking services, they cater to different target markets and offer distinct features and services. In this video, we are going to discuss their pros and cons and also some of their key advantages. Let's start with Brex. Brex is a financial technology company that offers a range of services to businesses, including corporate credit cards, expense management software, business accounts, and global payments. Founded in 2017, Brex aims to help businesses spend smarter by providing integrated cards, expenses, travel, and payments in over 100 countries. Now, let's talk about its offerings. Brex offers corporate credit cards designed specifically for startups and enterprises. The key features and benefits of Brex corporate credit card include higher spending power, smarter spending controls, automated expense management, and worldwide acceptance. With Brex, business can get a card limit appropriate to their financial situation, earn up to 7 times back on spending, and instantly issue purchase cards with per transaction controls and approval flows. The card also have expense management built in, automatically collecting itemized receipts, generating memos, and categorizing expenses. Additionally, Brex's physical and virtual cards are issued on the MasterCard network, providing worldwide acceptance, and the mobile app allows users to manage their cards on the go. Brex automated online bill payment software helps businesses save time by streamlining the invoice entry, approval, payment, and reconciliation process. The key feature of Brex Bill Pay include intelligent automation, proactive spending control, and an all-in-one platform. Brex's AI-powered automation frees up the accounts payable team by automatically capturing invoice details, integrating with ERP systems, and eliminating manual data entry. The platform also enables businesses to onboard vendors, enforce spending policies, and manage all their bills, payments, and other financial data in one place. Brex's spend management software helps businesses control global spend with a single source of truth and unmatched automation of manual expense work. The key features include AI-powered automation, embedded policy controls, automated expense reviews, and live budgets. Brex's AI automates document collection, generates memos, and categorizes expenses while also enforcing custom spending policies across cards, reimbursements, travel, and invoices. The platform also provides clear visibility into policy violations and allows for automated expense reviews, reducing the time spent on manual expense management. Additionally, Brex's live budget feature increases accountability by providing real-time visibility into spending. Brex offers a business account with industry-leading yield and FDIC coverage through partner banks. The key benefits of Brex business account include maximizing spending power with higher card limits and rewards, as well as earning rewards on your spending. Brex's platform automates manual accounting tasks to help businesses close the books faster. The key feature include automated document collection, personalized assistance from Brex Assistant, automatic population of memos and fields, and intelligent categorization of expenses to departments, projects, and general ledger accounts. Brex OCR technology also matches receipts in any language or currency, further streamlining the account process. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. One potential drawback of Brex is the limited customer support available to essential customers. Users on the base essential plan may experience delays and slow response times when seeking assistance from Brex's support team. To access more responsive and dedicated support, customers must upgrade to a Brex Premium or Enterprise account, which incurs additional fees. This can be frustrating for businesses that require prompt support but do not need the advanced features of the higher tier plans. Another potential drawback of Brex is the requirement to pay for certain key features. Many of the platform's advanced spend management capabilities, such as custom budgets and reporting, are only available through the paid Brex Premium or Enterprise plans. Users who need these features must be willing to pay the additional fees to access the full benefits of the Brex platform. This can be a drawback for businesses that requires these features but may not have the budget to upgrade to the higher tier plans. Brex's credit limits are based on the real-time and average 30-day cash balances in the user's linked bank accounts. While this flexibility can be beneficial, it can also lead to unexpected changes in credit limits, which can disrupt the business if founders are not closely monitoring their cash management and available credit. Brex may decrease credit limits unexpectedly, which can be a risk for cardholders. Businesses should carefully consider their cash flow and credit needs before relying heavily on Brex's credit limits. Now, let's talk about Mercury. Mercury is a leading financial technology company offering online banking services tailored for startups and personal use. With features like streamlined financial management and integrated financial options, Mercury aims to simplify banking for businesses and individuals alike. Now, let's talk about some of its features and benefits. Mercury's bank account provides a secure and cost-effective solution for managing business finances. With FDIC-insured checking and savings accounts that come with virtual and physical debit and credit cards, users can enjoy free domestic and international USD wires, transparent pricing, and seamless payment options. The platform's ability to facilitate scheduled and recurring payments via ACH, wire, or check with custom approvals and user-level permissions simplifies financial transactions for businesses, making it a valuable tool for efficient financial management. Mercury's IO credit card is tailored for startups, offering a range of benefits such as no interest, annual fees, or FX fees, with additional perks like MasterCard Zero Liability and fraud protection, discounts on tools like Microsoft and Adobe, and the potential to boost business credit scores. The IO credit card is a valuable asset for emerging businesses. Integrated with Mercury's comprehensive financial platform, which includes bank accounts, treasury services, and safes, the IO credit card provides a seamless and supportive financial solution for startups. Mercury's accounting automation streamline the bookkeeping process by syncing bills, cards, and bank transactions from Mercury account with popular accounting software like QuickBooks, NetSuite, and Xero. This feature simplifies the closing of books by automatically categorizing card transactions and allowing for custom rules to map merchants to GL codes. By enhancing accuracy and efficiency in maintaining financial records, Mercury's accounting automations reduce the time and effort required for bookkeeping tasks, ultimately improving overall financial management for businesses. Mercury offers online business banking services tailored for startups and personal banking needs. This includes features such as efficient management of banking and financial operations from a single dashboard, seamless payment processing, early access to credit card with low deposit minimums, and enhanced FDIC insurance coverage. With a focus on simplifying financial tasks and providing confidence in banking operations, Mercury's personal bank services are designed to meet the diverse needs of individual users. Mercury's Treasury feature offers clients the opportunity to earn yields on idle cash alongside their operating accounts. This service integrates within Mercury's full financial platform, aims to help businesses maximize their funds by generating returns on excess cash. This provides a mechanism for businesses to invest their surplus cash strategically, potentially through portfolios powered by reputable financial institutions like Vanguard and Morgan Stanley, as highlighted in Mercury's overall offerings. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. One potential drawback of Mercury Bank is its unavailability for sole proprietorships, limiting the accessibility to certain types of businesses. This restriction may pose a challenge for individual entrepreneurs operating as sole proprietors who seek the services and benefits offered by Mercury. By not catering to this specific business structure, Mercury may miss out on potential customers who operate as sole proprietors and looking for modern banking solutions tailored to their needs. Mercury does not allow cash deposits, which could be a drawback for cash-focused businesses that need to frequently deposit cash receipts. The savings account rate offered by Mercury is described as negligible and nothing to get excited about, which may be a drawback for businesses looking to earn a higher yield on their idle cash. In conclusion, Brex and Mercury are both viable options for startups and small businesses seeking modern banking solutions. Ultimately, the choice between the two will depend on the specific needs and growth stage of the business, as well as personal preferences for the range of features and services offered by each platform. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.